Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend with this camera menu settings walkthrough or guide on your Oneplus Nord CE Lite. Let's do this. First off, I just want to show you this video double recording ability that it's got, and I think that's pretty cool, especially if you're outdoors vlogging. You can walk around like this and you can talk about stuff that interests you, like things in the forest or things at the office. And you can explain as if you were Richard Officebra or Attenborough. The second thing I want to show you is, of course, just the normal photography mode. And there you have right now put on selfie mode. You got some different filters you can play around with if you want to, if you're into that. Also, you can choose if you want HDR on or off, or you can choose the format if you want to do it like for your snaps and social media and stuff. Then, of course, this is the snap you want. Me in the forest by the creek. Yeah. But probably just prefer it in the normal standard mode. And I just want to show you one thing here, of course, and that is the portrait. If you look at portrait now, it should be blurred within the O that my arm makes. And if it does so, then the portrait mode works very well. And I think it does on this phone, because you can see now, normal, and now much more blurred, right? If you're into some more scenic shot, you of course want to use the back camera. And of course here you again got some different filters you can apply. But actually one I would urge you to try and work with on this phone is the more settings, and then go into Pro. Because here in the Pro mode you can work with the white balance, adjust it up and down. Even if you don't really know what you're doing, just try and trust your eyes and make it look as it looks in real life, because then you'll be able to shoot what I at least think is a somewhat better picture than you'll see right in a Mo. I want to make it look as it looks in real life. It looks just about there in the colors. And I'll shoot that. And now for comparison, I'll go out of the Pro mode into the normal photo settings, take the same picture there. And now let's just compare these two photos. This is the one the phone took by itself, and this is the one I took with the adjustments in the Pro setting. Okay, then we got the night mode. It also comes with these filters, by the way. I don't know why you would want to put filters on a night shot, but let's just shoot some anyhow. These are my favorite tools just for daylight purposes. But I also show you some nighttime photos right now running over the screen. And then, of course, this phone has got a macro lens. Good for these very close-up shots. Mind you, that's only 2 megapixel camera. And what I want to show you in that regard is just a normal photo. If you just pull down the lever a bit, you get a much more close to real-life photo. But what I want to show you is the macro shot. And the problem with the macro shot is as soon as you zoom on it, it becomes not that good, right? Whereas on the normal shot, you can actually zoom in on it and get much more detail. And for the video mode, you can shoot in 720p or 1080p. And the same applies to the selfie camera. You can also shoot in 720p or 1080p. And these are the extra choices that you can find in the More menu. You're actually able to move these about, and you can drag them down to the line here and sort them accordingly to your liking, as I've done. You got slow-mo, I'll just show some footage of that. Panorama, interval photo, I'll just show you some footage of that also. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do press like and subscribe, because that helps this video being recommended to others like you. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech fan, and I'll see you in the next one.